Now let's talk about the HTML. If you see the full form of HTML, it is the hypertext markup language, and it describes the structure of a web page. So actually, what is web page? Web page is a part of website. So it means websites contain different web pages. If I go to daraj.com, if I type here Daraj, then it shows me the first link as daraj.com.np, and if I click here, it shows me the Daraj website. And this daraj.com.np is a website, and if I go to here in this login button, and if I click on the login button, then it shows me this page, and this page is known as the web page. And we can design, or you can say that we can make the structure of the web page using the HTML. And if you see the URL here, this URL is different than the main websites. And if I again click on the sign up button, then it shows me the another web page. And if I hover again into the URL part, this URL is different than the login URL and the sign up URL and track my order URL. This all these parts of URL are different than the main websites, and they are also different with each other. So Doraj.com is my websites, and it contains the so many the web pages inside the websites. So if I visit into the another the websites here, and this is online cover. If I simply search the online cover, and you can see here the first link as onlinecover.com. So if I click here, then it shows me the online cover websites. And if I again click on the English, now you can see here, if I click on the one news here, and you can see here, this is the heading, and then inside the heading, you can see here is a picture also included. If you see the clear here, the text of this part is different and text of this part is different. It also contain the underline and link and so many things. So this is one of the web page, and we can design this web page using the HTML, that is hypertext markup language. HTML is actually not a programming language. This is a markup language, so which is used to design the web page. So let's create one HTML file in Notepad. We'll discuss it in the Visual Studio Code later. But at first, I just want to show you the basic concept in the Notepad. First of all, let's open the Notepad. And after opening the Notepad, first of all, I just want to write some HTML code here. This is the angle bracket. And we used to write the HTML tag inside the angle bracket. First of all, exclamatory marks, and then doc type, and then HTML. So we have to write this tag at first. And if we write anything inside this angle bracket, then this is known as the tag. This means that this document is HTML document, and doc type HTML represents the HTML5. So after that, I can write here the HTML tag, and it is the root tag, or you can say it is the parent tag, where all other tag are the content inside this HTML tag. And after the HTML tag, we can write here the head tag, and inside the head tag, we can just write the title. So title means displays on the the source bar, or you can say the fake Danish refugee and the online cover and the Doraj.com. This is all written in the title. So after that, inside the title, I can give my website, my websites, and we have to close the tag after completion of the title element. So if I write anything between the two tag, this means that we are writing something inside the title tag. This means my website is the element of the title tag. So the elements means if you're writing something between the two tags, opening tags and the closing tags, and these all things written inside the angle bracket is the tag. So doc type HTML is one tag, HTML is another tag, head is another tag, but my website is this is the HTML elements, or you can say in simply the elements of the HTML. And we are closing here the title tag. And after closing the title tag, here I also close here the head tag also, HEAD head. And after that, I started another important tag, that is body tag. Inside the body tag, simply I can put here the one tag, that is P tag. P tag is used to represent the paragraph. So if you see here, this is one paragraph, and you can again see here, this is another paragraph. And if you want to write the paragraph, then we can simply use the P tag. And I can give just message, this is my paragraph, this is my paragraph, and I'm gonna close this tag. And after closing the P tag, just I have to close the body tag also. And at last, we have to close the HTML tag. There are so many tags remaining here, the heading tag, paragraph tag, bold tag, and so many tags, HTML tags are over there. We'll discuss it later. But first of all, let's understand only the concepts and simple structure of the HTML. At first, it contains the doc type, and at first, this is HTML is the root elements. So this is the root tag of the HTML. And then after that, we can write the head tag. And after the head tag, there is a title, and there is a body. The body means all the displayable contents. And we have to close the body tags and the HTML tag. And to save this HTML file into your location using you can give any name, whatever you want. TCS text possible dot, you have to give the extension as .html or .htm. And if I save this code, and if you want to run this code, then first of all go to into your location and just right click here, and you can use the open with button and click on your favorite browser, or simply you can click on the TechsPossible options. And now you can see this is the paragraph tag we have written. This is my paragraph inside here. And if I want to change something here, and if I save here, and if I again refresh this page, now you can see how text is added here. We'll discuss later the other remaining parts. If you get any confusion regarding this time, then you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.